Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about the Arabic letters with picture. Let's start. First, look to the picture and repeat after me. This Alif Hamza. Alif Hamza. The letter Alif Hamza looks like arrow. Please repeat after me. Alif Hamza. Alif Hamza. Great. Next letter. Ba. Ba. The letter Ba looks like bag. Ba. Repeat after me. Ba. Ba. Excellent. Next letter. Ta. Ta. The letter Ta looks like taxi. Repeat after me. Ta. Ta. Good. Next letter. Tha. Tha. The letter Tha looks like thank you. When you pronounce this letter, please put your tongue between your teeth. Repeat after me. Tha. Tha. Excellent. Jeem. Jeem. The letter Jeem looks like jeans. Repeat after me. Jeem. Jeem. Excellent. Ha. Ha. The letter Ha looks like the sound when we eat spicy food. Ha. Repeat after me. Ha. Ha. Excellent. Next. Kha. Kha. The letter Kha looks like the sound of snoring during sleeping. Kha. Repeat after me. Kha. Kha. MashaAllah. Good. Next letter. Dal. Dal. The letter Dal looks like dead. Repeat after me. Dal. Dal. MashaAllah. Good. Dal. When you pronounce Dal, please put your tongue between your teeth. The letter Dal looks like they. Repeat after me. Dal. Dal. Good, mashallah. Thank you for watching and wait me for the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.